Have you ever wondered what it's like to stand next to a living giant? Forget dinosaurs, because our planet today is home to some of the most massive creatures to have ever existed. Let's dive into the world of colossal animals, starting with the king of them all, the blue whale. This magnificent marine mammal is not just the biggest animal alive, it's the largest animal that has ever lived. Picture this. They can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons. That's equivalent to about 30 elephants. Even a blue whale's heart is the size of a small car, and its tongue alone weighs as much as an elephant. It's truly mind-boggling. They cruise through the oceans, feeding on tiny krill, filtering millions of them from the water every single day. Now, let us leave the ocean and journey to the African savanna to meet the largest land animal, the African bush elephant. These gentle giants are truly a sight to behold. A large male can stand over 13 feet tall at the shoulder and weigh more than 6 tons. Their iconic trunks are incredibly versatile, containing over 40,000 muscles. They use them for breathing, smelling, touching, grasping, and of course, drinking water. Their massive ears aren't just for hearing. They also help them cool down in the hot African sun by radiating heat. Seeing a herd of elephants moving gracefully across the plains is an unforgettable experience, a true symbol of the wild. What about the tallest animal on Earth? That title goes to the giraffe. With their astonishingly long necks, they can reach heights of up to 19 feet, allowing them to browse on leaves and buds that other herbivores can't reach. It's a unique advantage in their treetop dining world. Interestingly, a giraffe's neck has the same number of vertebrae as a human neck, just 7 pair. But each one is incredibly elongated, measuring up to 10 inches long. And don't let their gangly appearance fool you. A giraffe can run up to 35 miles per hour over short distances and deliver a powerful kick to defend itself from predators. Returning to the water, let's talk about the biggest fish in the sea. No, it's not a whale. Whales are mammals. The champion is the whale shark. Despite its intimidating name, this spotted giant is a filter feeder, just like the blue whale. They can grow up to 60 feet long and are known for their calm and curious nature, often allowing swimmers to get up close. They swim with their enormous mouths wide open, gulping down plankton and small fish. Their beautiful, unique spot patterns are like fingerprints, with no two whale sharks having the same design. Finally, let's meet the world's largest reptile, the saltwater crocodile. These prehistoric-looking predators are the masters of ambush, found in coastal waters and rivers from India to Australia. Males can reach over 20 feet in length and weigh more than a ton. They possess the most powerful bite ever measured in an animal, capable of crushing bone with ease. They can lie perfectly still, almost invisible in the water, waiting for the perfect moment to strike unsuspecting prey. They are a powerful reminder of nature's raw and untamed side. From the depths of the ocean to the vast savannas, our world is full of incredible giants. Each one plays a vital role in its ecosystem. Protecting these magnificent animals and their habitats is crucial so that future generations can also marvel at their sheer size and beauty. Thanks for watching. If you were amazed by these colossal creatures, hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the wild. See you next time.